Bangkok. It's one of the world's most popular destinations, and you'll be hard-pressed to find a Singaporean who hasn't been there. But should you meet someone who's never set foot in the City of Angels, here's a great newbie's guide to get them started.
So it's a weekend in Bangkok, and if you have some time, you can head over to Croquette Island from Samphanthawong, taking a longtail boat from this temple called Wat Sanam Neua. Croquette Island is a man-made island. In the past, they dug this canal. Right now you can actually see a huge boat that's passing by. Look at that boat, it's huge. Which is actually just there. 50 meters away from where we want to get. It just cost us 2 baht to get there. We're here. So we're now starting our walk from the northeast side of the whole island. This island of Croquette was originally inhabited by the Mon people, who were Burmese. Every shop you see, you can see some sort of pottery or ceramic. And I heard that if you order a cup of coffee, they're gonna give it to you in a handmade cup. This is what Croquette is famous for, the pottery and their ceramics. So I think they use this to cook little small quail eggs, and they use some charcoal fire below. Cute! Here that sells the most famous Thai fish cake on the Croquette Island. They look very fresh, it smells awesome, it smells amazing. Wow, look at that! So on top of the fish cake, he just pours a whole bunch of chili sauce. So savory, so spicy. Deep fried basil on top. It's match made in heaven. This whole box here costs 50 baht, just 50 baht. Let's see what else we can find to eat. This little pazang here is called miang. Miang kang. Leaves is betel nut leaves, and what's inside is some toasted coconut, shrimp, sweet peanut sauce, shallots, galangal, and some lime. Hello, hello, Mark. She says eat it with a chili, even nicer. It tastes something like a rojak, but slightly more herbal. This is what we were talking about. Order a coffee, and here they give you a souvenir.
You can choose.
Oh, I can choose? Doraemon. So all these ceramics were made here. I picked the Doraemon and I'm gonna drink out from his brains. Oh, it's coffee that I can bring home. Thai lesson 101. It's very important that you know how to ask where's the toilet. When you want to ask where's the toilet, you say Hong Nam Yu Ti Nai. We're going somewhere that is very important, but you don't have to film that part. Too much coffee.
If you give life for you give a good life for you.
Oh, I see. It's making a monkey.
Oh, monkey. Parrot.
Parrot, not monkey. I got the monkey. This guy's so skilled. Reminds me when I was doing a sugar art when I was in chef school. But I think he's so much better than I am. I'm not gonna eat this, I'm just gonna frame it up somewhere, I don't know. It's so cute.
After a beautiful Sunday morning at Croquette, we head back to the mainland. Our next stop, chicken rice, worthy of the Michelin Bib Gourmand.
We're here now in Bangkok at this place called Goang Chicken Rice, which is right next door to Pratunam. The shirts that they're wearing is all in pink, that's how you identify them. They don't take reservations, so you gotta queue up. Okay, we got our seats and we got the menu. So it's chicken and rice, chicken blood jelly, and I'm gonna try that, never had that before. I'm just gonna order a few and we all can share. The most difficult part of having a meal here is waiting for the food. A lot of tourists here, but this place got an award by the Michelin Bib Gourmand, so it's gotta be good. Try the soup. Wow, the chicken flavor is so strong. Oh, that really hits the spot. And the food is just coming in. So this is the famous Khwaeng Pratunam chicken rice. So I'm just gonna try the chicken first. It's very clean, light, very refreshing. You can add some of this sauce, sweet bean with some garlic and chilies. Wow. I think the rice is the reason why they got the Michelin award. Not overly oily and not too grimy. It's very fresh with garlic, very strong on the chicken flavor. If you think you know chicken rice in Singapore, you gotta try this one. Same but different. Chicken blood jelly. Trust me, it's good. Feels a little bit like tofu. There's no taste of astringency from the blood at all. It's very clean tasting. Dip it in your soup and you eat it when it's warm. And it reminds you of those chicken noodles or pork noodles in the morning that you can find here along the street. It's exactly the same thing. Correction. Exactly the same thing, but better. Alright, enough talk. Guys, let's eat. Eat. Go eat. Picture first. Camera eats first before we do. Oh wow, look at that.
Aside from street food and traditional eateries, Bangkok is also home to a lively third wave coffee culture. For my afternoon coffee fix, I head to Lhong Tou, a formidable new player to the cafe scene.
3 p.m. in Bangkok, and we are in one of these many boutique cafes that you can find here. In this region, it's called Yaowarat, which is Bangkok's Chinatown. You can see a lot of Chinese businesses here, just coming here to relax, have a cup of coffee, and eat a little bit of snacks. We got more time to talk to each other. That's basically Bangkok culture here. Walk a little bit, shop a little bit, eat a lot, have some coffee, just relax. Chinese immigrants, they started old businesses, so they converted these spaces into F&B joints, bars and cafes. They really know how to blend in the old and the new, cute little snacks. It's very traditional in such a setting like this. But I think more food is coming. Dirty coffee. It's a mixture of hot and cold. So it's ice cold milk on the bottom with a piping hot shot of espresso on top. A herbal drink. And you can finish it off with tup tam, which is peanut cake. You think that it's very heavy from the hot coffee, but the cold milk makes everything very refreshing, and you can just take it in all at one go. Mala crispy chicken. Wow, they're very generous with the mala spice. My mouth is a bit numb. Nice savouriness to it. Pretty sure this one is their signature. So this is the Thai tea bun. Look at that, it's fluffy. It's like eating air, and when you bite into it, the Thai tea custard just coats everything in your mouth. I think it's a salted egg or egg custard bun. Definitely a top seller. Breakfast. Salted egg and salted vegetable. Maybe a pea. Very delicate flavors. The salted egg yolk is not overly done. It's a bit sweet instead, and most of the saltiness in my mouth is coming from all the pickles. Hi guys, this is Kun
Niku.
I want to congratulate you.
Thank you so much.
2 months and you have a long queue outside.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Wow. Okay, so
It's a good problem.
first cafe.
No, I have a restaurant
Yeah,
in
restaurant.
Sukhumvit area. This is my first cafe in Bangkok. Surprisingly popular.
What was in this space before your cafe?
It's an old building. I think before us, there used to be like clinic on the first floor and another shop on the second floor, something like that.
What made you have this idea to do a ladder and
At first, they don't have the second floor like this. We try to add more seats as possible. In front is very narrow, but it has a space on the height. We think, why not we sit somewhere like on the high second or third.
often you change your menu?
I plan to add more Chinese snacks. In Chinatown, they have a lot of unique ingredients. So I try to adapt the ingredient and put more creativity.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you good success, even longer queues in future, and maybe more cafes.
Okay. สวัสดีครับ
When you come here, my name here.
Niku.
Niku.
Lhong Tou. Thank you.
Lhong Tou Cafe.
Besides nicknames like the Big Mango and the City of Angels, Bangkok is also known as a city that never sleeps. As night falls, Yaowarat comes to life with neon lights, busy traffic and epic crowds weaving through the streets.
So Yaowarat just comes so alive at night. Look at that, the lights come on and you can smell all the grills are firing up and all the people are starting to fry vegetables and garlic. On these streets you can see all the Chinese people who used to live here. And all over the place people are just start their day. Look at that. And now it's already almost 10 o'clock but business is just starting.
For the uninitiated, Bangkok can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but there's no hard and fast rule on how to experience this lively city. With so much to see, hear, taste, and do in Bangkok, the only thing you wish for is more time to explore.